Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin with a new lesson, addition and subtraction. See, addition and subtraction we have already studied in the previous classes. The only difference is that the number of digits will increase in this lesson. In the previous lesson, we have studied the places lakhs and 10 lakhs. So, till last year we have done 5 digit number addition and subtraction. Now in this lesson we have to learn 6 digit and 7 digit numbers addition and subtraction. So it is the same just like we have studied in the previous class. Nothing is different. Okay, only number of digits are going to increase. So here in problem set 7 they have given us just a revision of the addition problems that we have learned in the previous class, okay, in 4th standard. So let's begin with this problem set 7. You have to solve this in your notebook also. Now the first example, 40,722 plus 13,819. Okay, so quickly we will write the places with pencil, units, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Okay, now first always we should start addition from units place. We should start our addition from the units place. Addition or subtraction, whatever it is, we should always start from the last place, that is units place. So first we will add these two numbers. 9 plus 2, 11. 9 plus 2 how much? 11. So as I have told you that in a single place we can write only a single digit. 9 plus 2 how much we got? 11. So 11, in this number 1 is in units place and this 1 is in tens place. So it will get carried over in the tens place. Understood? 11 means it is a 2-digit number. And in a 2-digit number there are two places, units and tens. So units place number will stay in the units place and tens place number will get carried over in the tens place. Okay. Now add the tens place. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Okay, so here it will come 4. Now hundreds place. 7 plus 8 how much? 15. 7 plus 8 how much? 15. Now 1500. Okay, this is 1500. In the hundreds place we have got 15. So again in single place we can write only single digit. So 1500 means what? 100 means 20. Okay. So 1500 means 1500 means it is a 4-digit number. In 4-digit number this place is units, tens, hundreds and thousand. Means 5 will stay at hundreds place and 1 will go in the thousands place. Understood? 1500, in hundreds place we got 1515. So 5 will remain here and 1 will go in the thousand place. Now add the thousand place. 1 plus 0 1 and 1 plus 3 4. So here it will come 4. And last 4 plus 1 5. So the answer is 54,541. 54,541. And comma will come here after the second digit. Understood the addition? Why we carry over the numbers in the next place? This is the reason. Okay, every number will get carried over in its next place. Next one, second one. Now no need to write places. This was just for your explanation. Directly you can do. 7 plus 8 15. 5 carry 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 4 7. Now 4 plus 6 10. 1 0 10. So 0 here, 1 carry. 6 plus 1 7 plus 0 7 only. and 5 plus 1 6. So 67,075. Now the third one. Okay. First add 7 plus 9. How much is 7 plus 9? It will be 16. So 6 here, 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus any number, same number. Now 4 plus 8, 12. 2 carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 8, 9. So 92,436. Last. 6 plus 0, 6. 1 plus 4, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. 3 plus 8, 11. 1 carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So total 61,756. So solve these numbers. Solve these examples in your notebook. Problem set 7. Okay. Write in proper handwriting. Every number should be distinguished from each other. And all the numbers should be one below the other. Properly you have to write. Now, in the next topic, we are going to study addition of 6 and 7 digit numbers. Okay. So, in that first example is 1,43,057 plus 4,21,689. In both the numbers, the highest place is lakhs. See here, 1 lakh, 4 lakh. So, the highest place in both the numbers is lakh. So, what we will do? First, we will write down the places in the box. So, lakh, then 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens and units. Now, one box we will leave for carry. Okay. So, in the next box we will write the first number. 1,43,057. Then second number 4,21,689. Middle sign is plus, so we will give a plus here. And then we will start addition just like we have done in these examples. Okay, same method. Only the number of digits are more. So first one, 7 plus 9, 16. 1, 6, 16. So 6 here, 1 carry. Now 5 plus 1, 6. And 6 plus 8 is 14. 1, 4, 14. So 4 here and 1 carry. Okay. If you get the answer as 2-digit number, then the last digit you will write in this place and the first digit you will carry over. Now 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. And 1 plus 4 is 5. So your answer is 5,64,746. Understood how to solve the addition of 6-digit number? Now see here. In this example, first number is 7-digit number and second number is 6-digit number. So you will write the places of the bigger number. You will write the places of the bigger number. So 7-digit number means it starts from which place? 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens and units. So first place here will be 10 lakh, then lakh, then 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens and units. Understood? Now first number write down. 26 lakhs 42,073. Now see here, we have written 7 places, but this is a 6-digit number. So always start writing in the reverse order. Means you will not make any mistake. 8, 7 4 9 3 7. Okay, this number is 7 lakh. So 7 will come in lakhs place and the remaining digits will follow with 7. And 10 lakh place in the second number will remain empty. It will remain empty. And this is a addition problem. So we will give a plus sign. Now start addition. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry 1. 7 plus 7, 14. Plus 1, 15. 1, 5, 15. So 5 here and 1 carry. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 carry 1. Now 4 plus 3, 7. And 7 plus 1, 8. Single digit. So write as it is. No carry will come here. Next, 6 plus 7 is 13. 1, 3, 13. So 3 here. 1 carry. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So your answer is 33 lakh 81,551. Understood this addition? 33 lakh 81,551. Now the third one and fourth one. Here we will not draw the boxes. Directly we will see how to solve. Now see here. This is a 6-digit number. Okay, comma is given. It doesn't mean that 3 is separate number, 12 is separate number. In exam, I have seen that some students write down like this: 3, 12, 469, 758, 24 and 092. So some students do like this. This is wrong. Comma means what? It is a single number. 6-digit single number. So 3,12,469 is the single number. So this we will write together. Okay. So write down 3,12,469. Now this is a smaller digit number, 3-digit number. So what I told you just now, that start writing from reverse. Write in reverse order. So first we will write 8, 5 and 7. If you write like this, you will never make a mistake. And then this is a 5-digit number, complete 5-digit number. So write in reverse order: 2, 9, 0, 4 and 2. All digits should come in proper line, one below the other. And here we will give a plus sign. 2 plus sign. See here, 2 plus signs. Now we will start adding. Okay. So add the easy numbers first. 8 plus 2 is 10 and 10 plus 9 is 19. So here will come 9, carry 1. Now 6 plus 1 is, first we will do easy one. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. So 1 here and 2 carry. What answer we got? 21. So 1 we will write here and 2 we will carry in the next place. Now 7 plus 4, how much? 11. And 11 plus 2 is 13. So 1, 3, 13. 3 here and 1 carry. Next 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7, no carry. Next 1 plus 2, 3 and nothing is there below this 3. So this 3 will be written as it is. Now how to give comma? Start from the ending. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma. So your answer is 3,37,319. Understood how to write the numbers? Now the next one. First number is 64. So we will write down 64. Now next number is 409. So write from the end 904. And the next number is 5,13,728. 8 2 7 3 1 5 and 2 plus sign. Understood? Now 9 plus 8 is 17. 9 plus 8 17 and 4 is 21. So 1 here, 2 carry. Next 6 7 8 9 10. So 0 here, 1 carry. Now 7 plus 1 8. 8 and 4 is 12. So 2 here and 1 carry. 3 plus 1 4. This 1 as it is, 5 also as it is. So your answer is 5,14,201. 5,14,201. Understood how to solve the addition of 6 and 7 digit numbers along with some 3 and 2 digit numbers or 5 and 4 digit numbers. Now quickly we will see problem set 8. Okay. So problem set 8 I am taking from the master key. So here it is solved properly. Okay. First question. You also have to solve like this only. Problem set 8. Okay. First question is 42,311 plus 65,36,624. Now in this example, this is your bigger number. Okay, this is the bigger number and bigger number is 65 lakh, means the places will start from 10 lakh. So what you will do? You will write all the places from 10 lakh. 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, units. Okay. Now write down this number in reverse order. So what you will get? 1, 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 1, 3, 2, 4. And this number 4, 2, 6, 6, 3, 5 and 6. Now start adding. 4 plus 1, 5. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 2 plus 6, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 as it is and 6 as it is. Means in this example there is no carry over. Now the second one. This is 3,17,529. This is 8,04,613. Means both the numbers, they will start from lakhs place. Okay, 3 lakh, 8 lakh. Means they will start from lakh place. Still we have to draw a 10 lakh place. Okay, then write down the numbers in reverse order. 9, 2, 5, 7, 1, 3. 3, 1, 6, 4, 0, 8. Now start the addition. 9 plus 3, 12. So 2 here, 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 6, 11. 1, 1, 11. So 1 here and 1 carry. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So 2 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. No carry. Now 3 plus 8 is 11. So in one place only one digit we can write. So 11, 1 will come here and 1 will get carry in the 10 lakh place. Understood why we have drawn the 10 lakh place? Because here the highest place is lakh, but in answer we are getting one digit in the 10 lakh place also. So your answer is 11 lakh 22,142. Now in the same way you can solve third, fourth, it is homework. Now see the fifth one. 2654. So 2 will come in 1000 place 654. Write down in reverse order. Don't write like this 2654. This is wrong. Okay. If the digits are less, then start writing in reverse order, means you will never make a mistake. Next number is 71,209. So 90217, 90217, and last number is 5,03,789. So it will start from lakh place. Now in this example there is no need of 10 lakh place. So even if you don't draw this column, it is okay. Then add it, you will get the answer. Now see here again. 29 means 2 digit, means units and tens place. 2929. 726, 726. Don't write here 726. It is wrong. Okay, start writing from the last place column. And next number is 51 lakh 36,274. So this number you will write from 10 lakh place, and then you will do the addition. Understood? So like this you have to solve all the 10 questions, by drawing proper table. Okay, don't solve directly. This is the first exercise, so we will draw tables everywhere, and from the next exercise we will do directly. In the next exercise there are word problems, so this we will do directly, but here you have to draw proper tables like this. And there are only 2 questions, 5th and 9th, where you don't need the 10 lakh column. Otherwise everywhere you have to draw the 10 lakh column also. And how to write the numbers in reverse order so that you don't make a mistake. Understood the homework? Problem set 8 is your homework. Okay, solve in your notebook and send me today itself. Thank you.